So hey, I'm in TextRecruit, and this is how you set up a text campaign. The first thing you do is you go to New Campaign, and then it will give you a couple options what you want to name it. I'm just gonna call it 2022. I don't need a job code, I don't need a URL, I don't need an automatic response, but you can set all that up. Click on Next. And then you have a couple options here. You can add candidates by selecting candidates through your TextRecruit account, but I want a file upload. I want to upload a file that I already have in place. You have to make sure that you've got the first name and the last name and the phone number set up in this format for it to take. So you guys can see over on the spreadsheet, I don't have it set up, so I have to change this around a minute. So now that I have the right format, what I will do is over on this other screen, select File, find your file, open it, and it should load. See, it's loading up right now. That's why you have to have the format right. Yes, I'm sure I want to create. Oh, is that a limit? Yes, I'm sure I want to create. So it shows you how you have it formatted. Yes, import. So what's going to happen is it's going to build out your campaign right here. You know, and it's got a nice thing here where it shows you if they're Canadian or if they're American. And I've got several pages here. You can schedule a message. So I want this message to go out on Friday because I'm still reaching out to some of these people with a drip campaign. And you just fill out the information here. So if you want to include a URL, you can, but I'll just type out a message, and you can. It's pretty cool because you can enter their first name, talk to them a little bit, and when you're using text message, you want to be short and sweet. So I'm probably going to ask them, hey, I sent you a couple emails. We're hiring engineers in these cities that we're hiring, and that sort of thing. So, but it's pretty cool because you can set this up and you can actually add additional drip messages. So a text campaign drip message system, it's pretty cool. So hopefully that helps. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys a text-to-column trick. I've shown this in a couple of TikToks. You go up to this option that says text-to-column. You can't really see, but I have it bookmarked. Text-to-columns, and then you get this screen here. And since I see these URLs are focused with a specific type of URL, I want to do a fixed width and select where that resume cuts off, which is going to be the slash. You can kind of see me working here. So I'll select that and I'll click next. And what that's going to do is it's going to pull, it'll separate that resume link out so that I have the rest of the stuff out there. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to text to columns a little bit more because I see here there's separators with the dashes. So I'm going to do the same thing. Text to column delimited. That first option. And it looks like a dash, so you'll click on other and you'll put a dash in there. You'll put a dash in here. Dash, and then it'll break it up even more when you see what it looks like. So it separated these out even more. So now I have, for a lot of these folks, first name and last name, as well as job title, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. It's a way to help organize the data. And then with all these slashes here, you can actually use the replace feature, which is Control H. You just Control H. take that slash out. So I change the slash to nothing and find all, not find all, replace all. And boom, it takes all those slashes out of that column. So now I have even better data. So there you go.